Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today we have brought for you a book of herbal plant names, which contains a list of names starting with Alif Mad'a and Alif, so that you can know which herb can be used for which illness.
Juniper berries, abhal. Barley, abjo. Indian atis, atis. Omam seeds, ajwain. Walnut, akhroot. Ginger, adrak. Peach, aru. Lemongrass, azhar. Nux vomica, azraki. Indian valerian, asarum. Basaka, arus. Ispagol seeds, ispagol. Squall, askeel. Frog fruit, asialoot. Winter cherry, asganda.
See you in the next video with some new herbs. Until then, subscribe to our channel, like the video, and click the bell icon.